How to fix my Tinder account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you some ways you can fix your Tinder account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First of all, make sure that your app is updated. Head over to Play Store and search for Tinder. Instead of open button, if you see update, tap onto it. Now as you update your app, head over to your settings app. Scroll below and find the option of apps. Tap open it, and from these various options, search for Tinder. At this page under usage, you will see storage. Tap open it. From here, clear the data. Also be noted that deleting this application's data will delete all of your account history and databases. If you would still like to continue, then tap on to delete. Now as you do so, restart your device and get logged into your Tinder account again. As you open your Tinder app, it will ask you to re-log into your account, enter your password and username correctly, and this will fix your problem. That is all for today's tutorial. If you had found this video to be helpful, then hit the like button, and in case you would like to see more contents like this, subscribe to our channel. We will be back with more tutorials like this. Until then, thank you for watching and see you in our next upload.